In my perspective, the first step towards becoming a hero in the automotive aftermarket involves embracing responsibility and acting decisively. It entails providing exceptional customer service, going above and beyond to help them achieve their objectives. Most of all, it involves consistently delivering high-quality products that exceed expectations. Ultimately, being a hero means acting as a trusted partner who empowers both vehicle owners and professionals to maintain vehicles safely and enhance their driving experience, whether it's for themselves or their clients. We partner with some of the industry's leading manufacturers and have highest standards for the parts we produce ourselves. This helps that millions of people worldwide return home safely and on time.